What's your favorite city? Mine is Santa Barbara, California. I love the food and the amazing landscapes. As you drive through the city, you can see both the mountains and the ocean at the same time. I just love it. So, for our final challenge, I'd like you to create a program that prints out the name of your favorite cities. But here's the catch. You need to use at least one function. Your program should meet the following requirements. Has a function named favorite_city. Favorite city should have one parameter, name. You should call favorite city at least 3 times. The output should include, one of my favorite cities is. Remember to have fun and try your best. In the solution video, I'll share how I tackled the problem.